In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a vehicle rental with added features on Turo's website. Whether it's your first time or you're a frequent user, these steps will help you make the most out of your rental experience by ensuring you have all the necessary add-ons for a smooth journey. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Turo account on Turo.com. If you're not already a member, you'll see a sign up option, which is easy to follow for new users. But assuming you've already got an account, just enter your login credentials and you'll be on your way. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard displaying a variety of vehicles available for rental. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the vehicle you'd like to rent. Turo offers an array of vehicles, from economical city cars to more luxurious rides depending on your taste and needs. After finding the perfect car for your trip, click to initiate the booking process. This is where we'll focus on adding those extra bits that can make your rental not only more convenient, but tailored perfectly to your trip's requirements. As you go through the booking process, keep an eye out for the Add Extras section. This particular part of the process is your chance to enhance your rental experience. Now, the extras available can vary depending on the vehicle and the host offering it. Typically, you can expect options such as GPS systems, child seats for family travel, or additional mileage if you're planning a longer journey. Each option comes with its own price, so you can decide what best fits your needs and budget. Selecting these extras is straightforward. Once you find an extra that you'd like to add, simply click on it. A quick tip: consider your travel plans before you proceed. For instance, if you're unfamiliar with your destination, a GPS system might be invaluable. Or, if you're traveling with kids, a child seat could be a must-have. After you've made all your selections, the next step is to confirm them. Double-check your choices to ensure everything you want is included, and then continue to the payment section. Here you'll review your entire booking, including any extras you've chosen, before entering your payment details. Make sure to check over everything one last time to ensure accuracy and completeness. Finally, submit your payment. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation of your booking and an overview of what you can expect when you pick up your rental vehicle. Thank you for joining us and for choosing Turo for your travel needs. We aim to make vehicle rental convenient and perfectly suited to your desires with just a few simple clicks. Safe travels, and we hope to see you back here for more helpful how-tos.